Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to use Tulips Search. Tulips Search is a one-stop search engine for library materials and articles worldwide. You can search for various materials by entering keywords in the Tulips Search. Enter keywords in appropriate search boxes, and hit enter to search. The search results are displayed. You can see a list of documents, not only books, journal articles, and other items in the university's holdings, but also information resources worldwide. If the Access column indicates open access, you can navigate to the Published Texts page. If you want to restrict your search to only materials in the library, click on Library Catalog under Search Targets on the left. The button labeled with the name of a library branch links to the library's catalog. In addition, you can restrict your search to journal articles and sort by any of the columns.